guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is Hannah again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly like, share, and subscribe subscribe down below. And yeah, in this video, we're gonna unbox my new Paperang, which I bought today. So here it is. So this one is a P2. It's a Paperang the Pocket Printer 300 dpi HD. So you can use it also in your iOS or Android. And yeah, let's open this first. And I also bought rolls. I'm also really excited. Ooh. Well, I bought this too for about 1,750 pesos. So it's an online near me. So that's why I already got it quickly. Okay, how should I open this? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. This includes quick start guide here. And wow, this is a white color. Oops. And there's also a wire, a cable wire. And also our thermal printer. Let's arrange this first. Okay. So yeah, let's open this. The P2 actually is only white color, while the P2S, the difference of the P2 and the P2S is just the timer here. There's already a timer, but here you'll just Bluetooth, I think, in your phone, the P2. So here it is. And I don't have a case, so you can buy it separately. So Paperang model P2, and then the input is 5V. And yeah. The seller said that there's already a roll here. So later on, let's open it. But I also bought separately a roll. This includes 3 rolls. This one is a 10-year retention, the white one. So this fades 10 years after. This white one, and then this one is the rainbow color, rainbow roll here. Yeah. Okay, let's put it here first, outside. And I also have a pink one. It looks like white in the camera, but it's pink. See? This is color pink. This is the 3 rolls that I got. Okay, so let's just read this quick start guide. What? I cannot read this. This is a Chinese character. Can I read this? Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is, the English version. Okay, the paper and the cable, product instruction. Okay, power key, micro USB interface, key. Okay, here you go. Power button stops. Press 30 seconds to turn the power on off. Normally standby. Charge complete. Slow flashing, charging, quick flashing. Okay, so we need to download the app Paperang first in your Apple Store if you're using iOS or iPhones, or in your Google Play if you're using an Android phone. So kindly search the Paperang application. So after you add it, you can Bluetooth the application in your Paperang. So register and log in the app. Click Add Paperang, connect to Paperang by pairing the Bluetooth or scanning the QR code. So yeah, that's very simple. Oh, this one is the official paper types. As you can see, 10 years paper, sticker paper, post-it paper, label paper. Okay. So the safety and attention, you can just read it. So here you go. I've already seen the application. I just need to install. Disclaimer guys, this is not a sponsor or what. I just love to add my Paperang in my journal book, so that's why I bought it. So I already downloaded the application and also signed up in the Paperang application. So I already turned on my Bluetooth here. So we just need to turn it on. I hope there's a charge. So we should turn this off or press the button for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is already open. There's an arrow here. Oh, okay. I see. So you can see the available device. It already detected the Paperang P2. So let's just pair it. And let's see. Why? You can't connect to the Paperang. Make sure the device. Okay, so let's turn this off first. And turn it on again. And let's pair it again. Let's try to pair it. It's scanning. I hope it pairs now. So we need first to double click power key to print corresponding QR code after booting the Paperang printer. So let's click this first. 1, 2. Oh, okay. There's a QR code. This is the QR code that you're gonna use. And I'll just scan this first. So it's already activating. Yay! Let's see. Activating. Connect failed. Why? Okay, so I selected cookies photo. Let's see if it can print. So it says here that the quantity 1, length 8.64 cm. So yes, it says here that you need to select paper, 10 years paper, basic paper. I think this is just a basic paper. Yep. Oh, it's working!
Yay!
Oh, wow! What? Why is the face of Cookie like that? There's a line. I don't know why. Okay, let's... Oh my god. Will you look at that?
Oh no.
I cannot do it right. Oh, you need to take it off slowly. Slice it slowly. Why is the picture of Cookie like that? But it's cute. So cute. Maybe the paper for the picture. I don't know. But this is cute. Let's try another one. I print it this way, but unfortunately, maybe the setting that I used is wrong kasi nakalagay dito is 10-year retention. So, I've already changed it to basic paper. So, let's see the result because this one, it's a little bit blurred. My face, and also this one, maybe because of the setting that I didn't notice. So let's print this. This is a, oh no, this is my picture with my friends. So let's see. I've already changed the setting, so I hope it will print clearly right now. So these are the photos that I've already printed here in my Paperang. So let's just confirm it, and yes. So yeah, that's it. I think this one is much better. So yeah, I am really getting addicted to it. I want to print different images. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up, and if you love Paperang, kindly comment down below what kind of designs that you have or what kind of pictures that you already printed in your Paperang. And yeah, if you have any suggestions or comments, kindly type it down below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed it and if you want to watch other videos or my previous videos about my dogs or my travel vlogs, kindly also subscribe in my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Have a good night and stay safe and stay healthy, okay?